Hi guys, it's Emily. I'm the Minimalist Mama and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It is finally 2021. We're at the end of the longest year ever. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways to deal with guilt around unwanted gifts. Since we're just coming off of Christmas, I hope that you find this video helpful. Now, for me personally, I ended up being super lucky in that my family knows me really well. This Christmas, for example, I got a couple of records from my record player. I've got some vintage candlesticks. Brian got me a brand new phone that I'm filming on right now. People in my life are really good about asking me what I want and can use and going off of a list. But I know that it's definitely not the case for everyone, and at some point, sometime or another, you'll probably get a gift that you feel a little iffy about. Or you'll get a gift that leaves you scratching your head a bit. Oh! The Busy Mom's Diet. How to finally lose that baby weight and get your body back. So thoughtful. Thank you. Oh, so practical. Oh, there's even recipes. Tofu smoothies. Oh, great. Everything I never knew I needed. Thank you. Thanks. Since gifts are an expression of love, right? So does that mean we have to keep them and hang on to them forever? No, of course not. You might feel some guilt around why you don't want this particular gift, or the idea of getting rid of it, but we're going to talk through that today. The purpose of a present is to be received, as Marie Kondo says. So if you're feeling guilty for not wanting a gift that someone has given you, ask yourself this. Number 1, are you tying your relationship with that person into the gift that they gave you? Think of them as 2 separate things. Your relationship with the person who gave you the gift and the gift itself. Getting rid of a gift that someone gave you doesn't have to have any impact on the relationship. Just because you get rid of something that your grandmother gave you doesn't mean that you don't care about and love your grandma. It doesn't even mean that you didn't appreciate the fact that she went to the trouble of getting you a gift. It just means that this particular gift doesn't serve you. That's all it is. Your relationship with that person isn't dependent on the gift that they gave you. At least it really shouldn't be, otherwise there's definitely some strings attached, and that's a whole other issue. First of all, separate your feelings and your relationship for that person from the gift that they gave you, and just analyze the gift based on what it is. Question number 2, is this a gift that you would have bought for yourself? So if that person had just given you cash or a gift card, would you have gone to the store and seen this item and decided, that's exactly what I need, this will totally fit in my home and in my life, it's going to be a big blessing to me, and this is definitely what I want? If the answer is no, you definitely or absolutely would not have picked this out for yourself. It's a good indicator that this does not fit in your life. It's not going to be a blessing to you. It's just going to be taking up space and becoming clutter. Maybe you can return it, maybe you can exchange it, maybe you can re-gift it to someone, maybe you can actually sell it on something like Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark, and then use that money to buy something that actually would be a blessing to you. And then in your mind, you can decide that that gift is actually from whoever the original giver was. You'll still have that original gift giver to thank, but now you'll have an item that's actually a blessing to you. Question number 3, do you feel like you're wasting this gift? If you know you aren't going to use it, you really don't want it, it's not going to serve you or be a blessing to you in your life, here's the thing. The gift has already fulfilled its purpose. Like Marie Kondo says, the purpose of a gift is to be received. So you already received it. The care, the love, the thoughtfulness of that person was conveyed to you in the gift that they gave you. You received it, you expressed your appreciation. The gift has served its purpose. Its mission is accomplished, so now it's up to you to decide if this fits with the life that you want. What's actually wasteful is allowing this gift to take up space in your home. You're wasting your space, and our space is really precious. Not just storage space, but in overall how our home feels, how it functions, if it's a place that's welcoming, nurturing, if it's a place that feels safe and cozy, peaceful, spacious, all of the things that we want our home to feel like. Are you gonna sacrifice that for a gift that's already fulfilled its purpose? I sure hope not. That would be truly wasteful. Allowing things to clutter up your home out of a misplaced sense of guilt is what's actually wasteful here. You're also wasting your mental space on it, and this is what's really important, because every time you see that thing stuffed in the back of a closet or out on display somewhere when it's really not your style, every time you see that, you're gonna feel a sense of guilt. When you pass on that gift, you're also clearing out that guilt. Most likely, you won't even remember it once it's gone. If you're ready, here's what I want you to do. I want you to hold the item. I want you to feel gratitude for the person who gave it to you, for the thoughtfulness that they put into it, and then decide to let it go. Also, if the person who gave it to you knew that this wasn't going to be a blessing, they wouldn't want you to keep it. I mean, I would hope. They want what's best for you. They want your home and your life to all work together for the vision that you have for it, of being a peaceful, calm, cozy, clean, and orderly environment, or whatever that vision is for you. They want your home and your life to be the best that it can be, because they want what's best for you. So if they knew that this wasn't contributing to that, then they wouldn't want you to keep it either. Now that you've decided you're going to let this go from your life, what are some things you could do with it? Hopefully people gave you a gift receipt and then you can return it, or you can exchange it. Maybe you can get store credit for it, or possibly you could re-gift it to someone else who would actually enjoy it. But just be really careful about that one to make sure you're not passing on the burden of clutter. You can sell it. I've had a lot of success selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace, but I know other people like to sell things on eBay or Macari, is that what it's called? Or you can sell a lot of clothing and now home goods on Poshmark too. Or my other favorite place to take things is to the local consignment store. Then it just removes all of that work of listing an item and managing replies and going back and forth and all of that. I can just take it to the consignment store. I'll probably get less money for it, but it's worth it sometimes. Also, you can donate it, and if it helps with alleviating some remaining guilt, you can donate it to a good cause. So like around Christmas time, there's usually Toys for Tots. So if you get unwanted gifts in time before Christmas, you could donate unopened gifts there. You could donate things to a women's shelter, to a pregnancy center, sometimes a hospital. Even like refugee resettlement places will take a lot of things. There's a lot of options there for places that you can donate those things to if you want to donate them to a specific cause. But also Goodwill, Salvation Army, local church thrift stores are another really great option too. Whatever you decide, remember you are the CEO of your own life. So you get to decide what comes into your home and what stays there. You decide what works for you, no guilt allowed. Leave a comment down below, what is the strangest gift you've ever received? If you enjoyed this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more decluttering, organizing, and simplifying tips. And I will see you in my next video. Baseball for dummies! Wow! Thank you! You know, I don't know anything about baseball or any sports at all. This is exactly what I've been needing. Thank you so much. Oh my, it's very heavy. It's the miniature train collector's Bible. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, this is so detailed. So many pictures. I'm sure I'm gonna learn a lot about miniature trains. Oh, a candle. Oh, it's a beautiful pink. I love candles. Yes, so cozy. And fairy farts. Oh, oh my. That's lovely. Thank you. I might need to open a window. Thank you so much.